Why choose Suntoon's outdoor digital posters, a comprehensive guide to pristine exterior signage? In today's fast-paced world where information is constantly changing and attention spans are becoming shorter, the need for effective and captivating signage has never been more crucial. Digital signage has revolutionized the way businesses communicate with their target audience. With outdoor digital posters, businesses can now showcase their products, services, and messages in a dynamic and eye-catching manner. Suntoon's outdoor digital posters offer a multitude of advantages that set them apart from traditional signage solutions. Firstly, their high-resolution displays ensure that your content is presented with stunning clarity, even in bright sunlight. Another major advantage of Suntoon's outdoor digital posters is their durability. They are weatherproof, dustproof, and even vandal-resistant, ensuring that your investment remains protected for years to come. Furthermore, Suntoon's outdoor digital posters are incredibly versatile. They can be easily updated and changed remotely, allowing you to adapt your content in real time and tailor it to different audiences or events. This flexibility ensures that your messages are always relevant and engaging. One industry that greatly benefits from Suntoon's outdoor digital posters is the hospitality sector. By displaying eye-catching visuals and engaging content, these digital posters enhance the overall guest experience and create a lasting impression. Digital signage in hotels goes beyond just providing information. It can also be used to showcase the hotel's unique features, amenities, and promotions, enticing guests to explore and indulge. Suntoon's outdoor digital posters offer corporations a powerful tool to effectively communicate with their employees, clients, and stakeholders. Whether it's displaying important announcements, company news, or showcasing achievements, outdoor digital posters ensure that the message reaches a wide audience in a visually captivating manner. These digital posters can be strategically placed in high-traffic areas, such as lobbies, break rooms, and outdoor spaces, to maximize visibility and engagement. In addition to outdoor digital posters, Suntoon also offers outdoor interactive kiosks, which take customer engagement to the next level. These kiosks provide a user-friendly interface that allows customers to access information, make purchases, and interact with your brand in an immersive way. Whether it's a self-check-in kiosk in a hotel, an interactive map at a shopping center, or a ticketing kiosk at a theme park, Suntoon's outdoor interactive kiosks revolutionize the way businesses connect with their customers. Suntoon's outdoor digital billboards offer advertisers unprecedented flexibility and creativity. With the ability to display multiple ads in the rotation, target specific demographics, and even incorporate real-time data, digital billboards ensure that your message reaches the right audience at the right time. This agility and adaptability make outdoor digital billboards a highly effective advertising medium for businesses of all sizes. Suntoon's outdoor digital signage solutions can transform educational institutions into interactive and engaging environments. Whether it's displaying important announcements, showcasing student achievements, or providing wayfinding information, digital signage enhances communication and creates a modern learning environment. Outdoor digital signage in schools and universities can also be used for educational purposes, such as displaying educational videos, interactive quizzes, or virtual tours. Outdoor digital advertising screens have become a powerful tool for businesses to reach their target audience in high-traffic areas. One of the key advantages of outdoor digital advertising screens is their ability to grab attention. Furthermore, the flexibility and versatility of digital advertising screens allow businesses to tailor their messages to different locations, times, and demographics, maximizing the impact of their advertising efforts. Suntoon's outdoor digital signage solutions provide hospitals, clinics, and medical centers with an efficient and engaging platform to deliver important information such as wait times, health tips, and appointment reminders. By displaying calming visuals, positive messages, and entertainment content, these digital signs create a welcoming and soothing environment, reducing anxiety and improving patient satisfaction. Suntoon's outdoor digital signage solutions provide airports, train stations, and bus terminals with an effective way to disseminate important information such as arrival and departure times, gate changes, and safety announcements. By providing wayfinding information, interactive maps, and travel tips, these digital signs simplify the journey for passengers and reduce confusion. Suntune's outdoor digital wayfinding signs offer a solution to this problem by providing clear and interactive directions. These digital signs can guide visitors to their desired destinations, provide information about nearby facilities, and even offer real-time updates on events or promotions. In the competitive world of retail, it's crucial to grab customers' attention and provide them with a memorable shopping experience. Whether it's displaying promotions, showcasing new collections, or providing interactive product information, digital signage in retail environments captivates customers and drives sales. Furthermore, the ability to update content in real time allows retailers to tailor their messages to different times of the day, seasons, or special events. Suntune's outdoor digital menu boards provide food service establishments with a modern and dynamic way to showcase their offerings. One of the major advantages of outdoor digital menu boards is their ability to update content instantly. This is particularly beneficial for establishments that offer daily specials or seasonal menus. By showcasing mouth-watering visuals and enticing descriptions, digital menu boards increase customer engagement and drive sales. Digital signage for restaurants, enhancing the dining experience. Outdoor digital signage in restaurants can be used to display menus, promote special events, or even entertain customers with engaging content. By creating a visually appealing and interactive environment, these digital signs ensure that customers have a memorable dining experience and are more likely to return. When it comes to outdoor digital signage solutions, Suntune stands out as a leading provider. The high-resolution displays, durability, and versatility of Suntune's outdoor digital posters ensure that your messages are seen, even in challenging outdoor environments. Whether it's promoting your products, providing information, or enhancing the overall customer experience, these digital posters deliver exceptional performance.